What in the look there. Don't you just love rodents chewing all on your wires to your coil? Look at there. Yep. Welcome back to another video, guys. Here's an update on the Explorer real quick. Took it to the trans shop. They said they think my delta pressure feedback sensor is the reason why it won't shift to its highest gear ratio, or why the torque converter is not locking up. They told me to take care of that first and bring it back and see if they fix the issue. But in my opinion, I don't think the delta pressure feedback system has anything to do with the torque converter not locking up. But we changed it out anyway. Here's a box to it. I've already changed out the delta feedback pressure system. Now, I haven't driven this truck in 2 days, and I happened to took the cover off and noticed there's been some chewing on my initial coil wires on the last cylinder towards the right. Let me show you. So here's the DPE sensor, or delta pressure sensor feedback. This is new. I've already replaced this, so this is new. And when I took the cover off, I noticed got some chewing right here from rats, and they completely chewed up wires to my coil. I already took the coil out, so what I'm gonna probably do, I'm gonna rewire this, see how this works out, and I need to figure out where this wire connects to, because when I took this engine cover off, I noticed this wire was hanging out. This was all chewed on. This was chewed on. So I also got a new coil as well, because the other one is all screwed up. So let's go ahead and get to it. I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and just splice this a little bit, because I believe this rewires to this wire down here. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to splice this up without screwing up. Hopefully y'all can see this on camera. Almost got it. There we go. So we're gonna go ahead and rewire this, and I believe it rewires to, if I can get it on camera. I don't even know if I can get the camera down here, but I believe this wire rewires to this wire down here. You probably can't see it on camera. But we're gonna go ahead and do that. Also, this needs to be fixed as well, because the rats chewed on that. So we're gonna go ahead and do that real quick. Focus, there you go. Now, when you're fooling with ignition wires, you want to disconnect the battery just to be on the safe side. You don't want to electrocute yourself when doing this. So we're gonna go ahead and put this splitter on here, and we're gonna connect it to this wire here. All right, so got the wire on there. Now we just want to kind of squeeze it. Want to put this in here. Hoping this work. If it don't, I'm going to sell this thing to the junkyard. I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze that with some pliers. Just like that. Hoping this will fix the issue. All right, so this is the finished product. Honestly, I think this wire on the end connects to ground, but we're gonna find out. We're gonna go ahead and get this coil installed. So because I'm in a hurry, I'm just gonna do this and kind of just hand tighten it down. Now I'm just gonna hand tighten that bolt in there. All right. If this doesn't work, I'm telling you, I am gonna take this thing to the junkyard and have them crush it, because I am tired of fooling with this. Just hoping this works. All right, now let's see how she sounds. All right, this is the moment of truth. Let's start it up, see if we can feel any more misfires. So far, seems to be running pretty good. I think I fixed it. All right, let's take it on a little test drive, see how it runs. Now, I didn't catch it on camera, but when I had started this truck up in the morning, this thing was vibrating very, very hard. And I was like, okay, what in the So I took the engine covering off and found wires all chewed on, thanks to nasty neighbors that don't know how to throw out their trash. And that's how we get rats and stuff. So we're gonna take it out on the street. So far, it seemed to be running smooth. Hopefully that check engine light goes out soon. So let's go ahead and up. Got the power back. All right. Looks like we fixed it. Looks like we fixed it. All right, so going back to our saying about taking this truck to the transmission shop, the owner tells me he pulled the codes and said it's something to do with my DPF sensor. Well, guess what? I just replaced it that. And look, trans light is still flashing. Now that check engine light probably be on because I just replaced that sensor. So, but in my opinion, this is just how I feel, and I'm pretty sure a lot of y'all can agree. A DPF sensor ain't gonna make your torque converter not want to shift or lock up. Come on now. But for the fun of it, I just replaced it anyway. These are actually the codes he gave me. Delta pressure feedback. So I replaced that, and it's still flashing. So I'm gonna drive it around a little bit for that check engine light to cut off and see what he say and go from there. So thank you guys for watching. That was a quick little video on how to rewire your wires, just in case you have issues with rats chewing on your wires to your coils, and I'm about ready to kill those rats. So thank you guys for watching. And I also want to thank a lot of the new subscribers to this channel as well. I'm up to 94 subscribers, gained 34. So I thank a lot of you new subscribers that subscribe to this channel. If you want, I'm going to make more and more detailed videos, depending on how y'all want. Just comment below. But again, thank you guys. Thank you new subscribers for watching. See you soon.